Hey everyone, thanks for joining us here at the Innova headquarters today. I'm excited to be talking about the Innova 5610, the CarScan Pro. This tool is so simple and easy to use. You know, you don't need a separate computer, you don't need separate diagnostics. It's just the cord and the tool. That's what's going to get you the job done today. So basically, with the tool, this is going to enable you to read the codes, clear the codes, do additional diagnostics on your vehicle, configure different parts on your vehicle depending on if it needs to do a relearn, if you replace something. So let's just show a little bit more about the tool itself. The tool is fully off. I'm going to plug it in, and I just want to demonstrate how quickly this thing boots up and gets you the information you need. So it immediately does what we call an auto link. So I plugged it in, that's immediately plugged into the vehicle, and it's performing the general OBD2 scan right now. And within 15 seconds or less, it's going to get you all the initial information about your vehicle. So right here, right now, you can see the monitor status up here. We also provide all of the drive cycles built into the tool in case none of your monitors are passed or if you need to make them pass for a smog check. We give you the code, we give you the definition, we give you the DTC severity. So that's the code severity. And what that means is out of a scale of 1 to 3, how big of an issue is this code? So can I continue driving on it? If I'm driving on a road trip, can I make it home? Or do I need to pull over immediately and get a tow truck? Is this going to cause significant harm to my vehicle to where if I keep driving on it, I'm going to cause a lot of damage that's going to cost me a lot of money down the line? So we tell you that immediately right here at the DTC severity. And we also give you the code definition in layman's terms as well. Immediately on this first screen, we also have the freeze frame data. And that's basically all the live data that occurred initially right when that code hit. So as you're trying to diagnose things, you can basically look at the different parameters on your vehicle. You can look at everything that was going on with the vehicle when that code triggered just to make sure that you know what was going on to help you diagnose the vehicle. You know, most code readers only do the global OBD scan. So that leaves you with a very small part of the vehicle that you can scan. With this, you're scanning ABS, you're scanning SRS, you're scanning other sensors like TPMS sensors, window regulator modules, your radio, your seats. Cars these days have so many modules, it's crazy. Newer model cars can have well over 100 modules, and they all can throw codes. They can all give you different information. So if you don't have a code reader or a scan tool that supports that information, that can read that, then there's a ton of stuff that you don't even know about your vehicle unless you were to have a tool like this that can actually scan those modules. Just want to say thanks again. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, Twitter, X, YouTube, all the socials. They're all at Innova Auto. Make sure you take a look. Enjoy.